So good morning students. In steady flow energy equation, we are going to see a next simple sum. Let's move on. In a steam plant, 1 kg of water per second is supplied to the boiler. The enthalpy and velocity of water entering the boiler are 800 kilojoule per kilogram and 5 meter per second. Okay, so the water receives 2200 kilojoule per kilogram of heat in boiler at constant pressure. At constant pressure, right? The steam after passing through a turbine comes out with a velocity of 50 meter per second and its enthalpy is 2250 kilojoule per kilogram. The inlet is 4 meter above the turbine exists. The inlet is 4 meter above the turbine exists, right? So assuming the heat loss from the boiler and turbine to the surroundings are 20 kilojoule per second. Calculate the power developed by the turbine. Consider boiler and turbine as a single system. Note down this word. Consider boiler and turbine as a single system. Okay. So write down the given data. So enthalpy of water entering the boiler is 800 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. So enthalpy of steam at the outlet of turbine is 2250 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. So the velocity of water entering the boiler is 5 meter per second. The velocity of steam at outlet of turbine will be 50 meter per second. Okay. So what is the elevation difference? That is Z1 minus Z2. The height at Z1, the height at turbine inlet will be Z1. Height at turbine outlet will be Z2. Right? Okay. So that will be 4 meter. Okay. So the net heat added to the water in boiler. Okay. So the total heat boiler is adding 2200 kilojoule per kilogram. But due to heat losses, 20 kilojoule per 20 kilojoule per second. Here it is given as 20 kilojoule per second is rejected. Okay, 20 kilojoule per second is rejected to the surrounding. Okay, so it is given as 20 kilojoule per second, right? So you should convert into kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so heat rejected to the surroundings வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 20 kilojoule per second கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இதை வந்து நம்ம என்னவா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா kilojoule per kilogram கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம், right? Whether is there any mass flow rate value? Mass flow rate value இருக்கா? இல்ல, mass flow rate இல்ல. How can we calculate mass flow rate value? By rho a v. Okay, is there any velocity values are given? Is there any density values or area value? No, right? இங்கே அந்த மாதிரியான டேட்டாஸ் எதுவுமே கொடுக்காதனால there is a question typing mistake, right? ஸோ 20 கிலோஜூல் per second வர வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. இங்கே எந்த டேட்டாஸும் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் இட் as 20 kilojoule per kilogram, right? So if it is 20 kilojoule per second இருந்து when mass flow rate value is given அப்படின்னா, yeah, here it is given mass flow rate value is given as 1 kg of water per second. We will notice mass flow rate value is given as 1 kg per second, right? அதனால so 20, so then we multiply, then we are getting as 20 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, right? So 2200 minus 20, 2180 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, so please write down the schematic diagram. So please draw the schematic diagram. Your boiler is supplying steam to the turbine. Boiler is supplying steam to the turbine, right? So enthalpy values, C1 value, which means velocity, enthalpy velocity values at the inlet of boiler is given, right? So H2, C2 values at the exist of turbine are given, right? Okay, my question is, what about here, right? uh, HICI, which means enthalpy and velocity at the inlet of turbine, at the inlet of turbine, whether it will be greater than these two values, or it will be lesser than these two values, or it will be in average. I left to you, right? Okay, in order to solve this problem, use steady flow energy equation. Okay, you know the steady flow energy, right? So it is given as, we are rearranging the steady flow energy equation: change in enthalpy, change in kinetic energy, and this one is change in potential energy. We are rearranging this steady flow energy equation. Okay, so then we are now substituting the every value. This 1000 is used to convert joule into kilojoule. We already discussed this. 1 by 1000 is used to convert joule into kilojoule. Similarly, this 1000 too. Okay, so you are adding this q is substituted in positive because we are supplying heat to the system, right? Now you can able to find out the value of we find out the value of work done in uh, 4 work done value as 4 for 58 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, when you multiply my mass flow rate, that mass flow rate value will be is given as 1 mass flow rate value is given as 1 kilojoule, sorry, 1 kilogram per second. When you multiply by mass flow rate, you are getting as 458 kilowatt. So hence the power developed by the turbine is 458 kilowatt, right? So that's about a problem. Thank you for your time.